ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धे भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म एक्स्क्यूस् मी वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगम् अस्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशं ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघ परितप्त जनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गंगा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम् आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम् चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We have completed 88 dashakams, except the last 3 verses of the 88th. We have finished learning the chanting of it, but we haven't seen the meaning. So we'll first see the meaning and then get into 89 and hopefully complete the 90th also. 89 dashakam will be the last dashakam where Lord's Leelas would complete. And then 90th onwards, this Vedanta portion starts. So it's going to be very beautiful thereafter. The highest knowledge is being said till about next 10 dashakams, that's up till like 99. And then at the 100th dashakam, Lord makes himself visible, gives darshan to Bhattacharya. So first we'll do the 3 verses, then we'll complete the last chapter of the Leela part, and then get into the Vedanta part, where what's the importance of scriptures, then it goes to say how the bhakti is, what's the karma, who are the gurus, those 25 gurus, and what we should be saying, the description of it. So the complete Vedanta stuff part comes in the last 10 dashakas. Okay. So let's go back to 88 first. I guess 88 seconds. Okay. Yeah. So 88, there are how many verses? 12 verses are there. So we have to do the meaning of verse number 10, 11, and 12. Ninth verse also meaning we have seen. Okay. So, where do we go now? Yeah, correct. 10th verse meaning onwards, we have to see. Am I audible? Because my screen has gone small saying my network bandwidth is low. I'm audible, right? Okay. Whenever it's not, either type or stop me saying I'm breaking because I'm not knowing. Today's the network is like this. It says the bandwidth is low. Doesn't matter. Okay. Let's start. एवं नानाविहारैर्जगदभिरमयन् वृष्णिवंशं प्रपुष्णन् ईजानो यज्ञभेदैरतुलविहृतिभिः प्रीणयन्नेण नेत्राः भूभारक्षेपदम्भात् पदकमलजुषा मोक्षणायावतीर्णः पूर्णं ब्रह्मैव साक्षात् यदुषुमनुजतारुषितस्त्वं व्यलासीः. What has happened? Evam, in this manner, Nana Viharaihi, by different leelas, Vrishni Prapushnan. Vrishni has been Prapushna. Pushna is to nourish. So Vrishni was the Vrishni was nourished. Then Ijanaha. Ijanaha is performing different yajnas. Yeah. So different yajnas. Ijanaha yajna bhedaihi, different varieties of yajna. Atula viruti bhihi. Atula viruti bhihi. Atula viruti. Viruti is the leela. The Lord's wandering, Lord's actions. Atula, which cannot be compared, which cannot be imagined. So you can't find logic in Krishna Avatara. Okay. Rama Avatara is logic cannot. Krishna Avatara is for the Upadesha. So you have to hear Upadesha of Krishna and live like how Rama lived. One can't live like how Krishna lived. Krishna's actions we cannot copy. We should not copy. Someone coming from the Purna Brahma Swarupa angle, in our limited mind, we cannot fathom why he is doing and what he is doing, and in that doing process for whom he is benefiting, Our small mind cannot think. Our mind can only tune to what Upadesha is trying to give. So Krishna Avatara is for Upadesha. Rama Avatara is to copy. Copy everything, because in that Avatara he has come as a Manushya and he has not used any of his Daivi Shakti. He has lived the way he has lived for us to see as a Grihasthrami how much we should be subservient to everything. Okay. So Rama Avatara. So over here, Atula Viratibhi, when the word is coming, it's incomparable Leelas. So we can just stay in awe of Bhagwan's Leela. We should not bring our mind and head into it and question the Lord. And then Prinayan, their Sandhi, Prinayan, it's not Nena. When the Sandhi opens and it will become Ena. Ena Netraha. Prinayan, Ena Netraha. Ena is a deer. Deer eyes. Doe eye. Means who? Gopikas. So, Prinayan, to make somebody very happy, Prinayan. He made, with his different leelas, which are incomparable, he made all the gopis happy. Next. Bhubhara Kshepa Dambhat. Bhubhara, burden on the earth. Kshepa Dambhat. We have to reduce the burden on the earth. This Padakamala Jusham, those Padakamala means lotus feet of the Lord, Jusha, who have engaged their minds on the Padakamala, lotus feet of the Lord. Mokshanayava tiranaha. Mokshanayava tiranaha, to release them, to give them liberation, you have come. So, those who are Dambha, having Dambha, are wicked for their Kshepa, to remove them and reduce the burden of the earth. Those who are Padakamala Jusha, devoted to your feet, for them Mokshanartham. That's why this avatara. So Krishna avatara has two purposes. To liberate those who are his devotees and to vanquish those who are asuras, wicked. Okay. See, this asuras is not somebody who's having two horns. Huh? Our vritti also is so many times asuric vritti only. So we should not exclude ourselves. So we should always be alert and see what vritti we are nourishing. Saying this, I remember this Saturday and the next Saturday, there is a talk on Shastra Vihita Ahara. As a sadhak, what food we should eat, how we should eat, what is the concept of food. 2 hours, this Saturday 2 hours, Singapore time 5 to 7, both the Saturdays. Do attend. If you have not seen in the announcement, let me know, just WhatsApp, announcement of the community, let me know, just WhatsApp me. But do attend. As a sadhak, what we should. So now when I said this vritti, in us, so sometimes it comes from the food that we eat also, okay? The life that we are living. And you will hear more on that Saturday if you will join. This vritti in us, the food we think is this. But food is ahara, our Upanishad describe, is taken in by all the indriyas. What I take is also ahara, what your take is also ahara. This is the topic that is coming on this Saturday. So as a sadhak, it's not eating means only by mouth what we are eating. It's eating by what other indriyas also, we as a sadhak we should see. If we, that indriya sanyoga, indriya with indriyartha sanyoga, if it is not good, problems are coming. As a sadhak, as a nice, happy, jolly living without minding any karma actions and all, one can do whatever. But as a sadhak, so this vritti, when we are saying in us, the asuri vritti, when it rises, it's a lot to do with our lifestyle. We'll talk about it on Saturday. But the point over here is this Bhubhara Kshepa, he has come. And now, Purna Brahma Eva Sakshat. He is Purna Brahma. You cannot see him like, okay, he is a Manuja. He has, no, over there it is saying Manuja, Manu, where it is? Manujata Rushitaha. It is like, he is come in the human form, but not to reduce him to your level, because he is Purna Brahma. And Tvam Vyalasihi, he was shining in that. In this Manushya form, he has though come, but his Purna Brahmatva, because some of the Leelas, how a small baby will vanquish from Putana onwards, he's been vanquishing one Asura after another. How it's possible? Can our small baby do that? See. So, Purna Brahma level, it is different. Form may be Manusha, form may be baby, form may be Balakrishna, form may be anything. Actually, the Swarupa external is different, and what he is different. The Avatara purpose was completely different. So that's about verse number 10. Very beautiful verse. Let's go to the 11th verse. प्रायेण द्वारवत्यामवृतदैतदा नारदस्त्वद्रसार्द्रः तस्माल्लेभे कदाचित् खलु सुकृतनिधेस्त्वत्पिता तत्त्वबोधम् भक्तानामग्रयायी स च खलु मतिमान् उद्धवस्त्वत्तैव प्राप्तो विज्ञानसारं स किल जनहितायाधुनास्ते बदर्याम्. Another very beautiful verse. See, so prayena, mostly what? Dvaravatyam avrutat ai kadachit. Oh, I means oh Lord, oh. Prayena, mostly Dvaravatyam, in Dwaraka, Avrutat, you stayed over there. Tada, that time, Naradji, Tvad Rasardra. Means Naradji is with chanting Lord's name. He is soaking in the bliss of Lord's name. Tvat, in yours, Rasardra. In Rasa, that essence, he is enjoying your Rasardra. Tasmat, that time, from him. Tasmat, Panchami Vibhakti. Tad Shabda, Pullinga. Tasmat, from him. From whom? From Naradji. Lebhe, got. What? Kadachit, Khalu, Sukruta Nidhihi, Tutpita, Tattva Bodham. So your father, Tvat Pita, your father, Tattva Bodham, got the highest knowledge of self. From whom? From Naradji. Then Bhaktanam Agrayayi, amongst all the bhaktas, Agrayayi, the one who is the foremost amongst your devotee, such a Khalu Matiman, Uddhavaha. So Uddhava is the foremost in his. Uddhavaha, Tvat Eva. Tvat means from you only he got what? Tattvatjnana, the knowledge of self. Uddhava got from Krishna. Then Praptaha Vijnana Saram, getting all the Vijnana Sara, self-knowledge, essence of the self-knowledge. Sakila, he, Janahitaya, for the benefit of the people, Adhuna, even now, Te Badaryam. He asked Te Badaryam. He is still there in Badrikashram. Who? Uddhav. Okay. So we can aspire that we can visit over there and feel his presence. Who knows in which form he would bless. If as a sadhaka we have well prepared and gone over there. We should have such kind of agrahas in life. That may I be the best sadhaka. May I get darshan of the living santas. May I get that darshan. May I get the self-knowledge. May I understand this. These all should be our agrahas. Because eventually Or see, Vasudev Maharaj Ji has given birth to the Lord. But while learning, he'll have to learn it only. Doesn't come like that. So he had to learn it from Narad Ji only gave him Upadesh. So nobody can escape. No, Lord has also himself gone to Sandipani Ashram. Okay. So we will have to learn it. Huh? So the mental texture would be different. But learning is a must. Some may go fast, some may go slow. But on the journey, on the path, we will have to at least embark. Cannot say, no, it's not meant for me and sit on the pool side and think of, I should learn to swim. I should learn to swim. On the pool side, if you sit, nobody will learn to swim. Get down in the pool to learn to swim. I need to learn to drive a car. Okay, sit on the steering, not at the side. Okay. Now you put brake. Somebody cannot. If you want to learn driving, you come sit, learn driving. Some things we will only have to do it ourselves. How much ever if the child is hungry, mother cannot eat for the child, right? Mother will have to give it to the child. Child have to eat himself only. Mother can feed, put in the mouth. Child will only have to take it. Body only has to digest it. Certain things we will have to do it on our own. It will be our own journey. So as a satsangi group, we can be together. We can tell stories this side, that side. But at the time of sadhana, whether it's our japa, whether it's our meditation, it has to be our own thing. Yeah, we can say the reasons and you gather some sympathy. I had a headache. My daughter had something. My son didn't give me this. I had to babysit the whatever grandchildren. Excuses, all seekers can give you a listening ear. But your time loss is your time loss. They cannot give you that time. So our japa cannot have an excuse. Our meditation cannot have excuse. That is our loss. That is our journey. So whose ever marriage let it be, whatever fun we can see on FB, people having lot of fun and eating whatever, everything we enjoy, fine. Sadhana part we will have to do. Our part we will have to do. Rest everything that the world will go on. We will also go on and we will also enjoy the world. Doesn't matter. At the time of sadhana we will have to do. Without that, there is no other gati. Knowledge we will have to only earn and learn. So because we are going to enter that, we will have to get into this mindset. How much ever we memorize Narayaniyam, Gita, whatever, it is not going to be enough until internally we have taken that knowledge. Everything, all the steps are external so far. Internal movement has to happen by the individual effort. That no guru also can give unless you are willing. Then, yes, for Totakacharya, it happened because he was subservient to the Guru. And then with the Guru's grace, the knowledge he has submitted himself completely, his ego to Guru's feet. So where are we submitting? We will have to see. And what is the effort that we are taking? We will have to see. प्रायेण द्वारवत्यामवृतदैतदा नारदस्त्वद्रसार्द्रः तस्माल्लेभे कदाचित् खलु सुकृतनिधिस्त्वत्थिता तत्त्वबोधम् भक्तानामग्रयायी स च खलु मतिमारुद्धवस्त्वत्त एव प्राप्तो विज्ञानसारं स किल जनहितायाधुनास्ते बदर्यान्. Last verse of 88. सोऽयं कृष्णावतारः जयतीव सोऽयं कृष्णावतारो जयति तव विभो यत्र सौहार्दभीतिः स्नेहद्वेषानुरागप्रभृतिभिरतुलैरश्रमैर्योगभेदैः आर्तिं तीर्त्वा समस्ताममृतपदमगुः सर्वतः सर्वलोकाः सत्वं विश्वार्तिशान्त्यै पवनपुरपते भक्तिपूर्त्यै च भूयाः. Now, soyam, this ayam Krishnavataраha, this Krishnavataara, tava jayati tava prabho, may it be jayati, may it be victorious. Oh Vibho, the all-pervading Lord. Vibho, it's like a Sambodhan, oh Lord. Yatra, where? Sauharda. Sauharda means what? Sauharda is by friendship. Okay. Bhiti. Bhiti is what? Fear. Sneha. Sneha is by love. Vesha. Vesha is by hatred. Anuraga. Anuraga is by overwhelming compassion, overwhelming attachment to the Lord. Prabhrutibhihi, etc., etc. Atulaihi, ashramaihi, yoga bhedaihi. Atulaihi, atula, incomparable. Ashrama, effortless. Yoga bhedaihi, by various methods. Means to unite with the Lord, there were so many instances in this avatara we have seen. Some are with friendship, some are out of hatred. They have eventually united with the Lord. You constantly hate a person, invariably you are thinking of that person only. So those who wanted to kill Krishna or those who were hating him, eventually they were thinking of him only. So Lord has released them. Artim Tirtva. So he has Tirna is to cross. Arti is any difficulty or any tough situation. So thinking of the Lord, he has made people cross. We can say the ocean of samsara, which is of so much sorrow, we can say. Samastaha, all, everything. And then Amruta Padam Aguhu. Aguhu is to go. So Amruta Padam, gone to Amruta Pada is got moksha, attained liberation or understood self. I actually don't like using this phrase, getting moksha. We are not getting the moksha. We are only realizing it that you are ever free. But for the talking purpose, we use that. Many people use that, but you are not actually getting a moksha. You should not have it first and then you get. You are already mukta, you are not knowing it. Something. We are ever free only. But only thing we don't know. So Sarva Lokaha. So in his lifespan, whoever had come in contact with him by any of those, love, hatred, whatever, they all got freedom from the sorrow. Sattvam Vishwarti Shanti. To remove the Vishwa sorrow and to calm the whole Vishwa. Such was your avatara. May that be Jayatu. May that be victorious. Oh, Pavana Purapate. Bhakti cha bhuyaha. See what he has asked. Bhakti Purti. That complete surrender of devotion. Let it be on you. So anything, jnana is there, but that bhakti also he is asking now. Soyam Krishna avataro jayati tava vibho yatra sauharda bhiti snehadveshanuraga prabhriti bhiratulai rashramai yoga bhedai आर्तिं तीर्त्वा समस्तामृतपदमगु सर्वतः सर्वलोकाः सत्वं विश्वातिशान्त्यै पवनपुरपते भक्तिपूर्त्यै च भूयाः सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनामसङ्कीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते. It was immense kripa. We have now technically completed our 88 Dashaka. Let's get into 89. The last part of the Leela is coming. In this Leela, it is Avrikas Vadhavarnanam is coming. Starting with Shikharini Chandas, but there are Vasanta Tilaka Chandas is there, Dhruta Vilambita is there, Sragdhara is there. So there are multiple Chandases that are going to, Prithvi is also there. Okay, so where are my kids? Let us start 89. Machan. Shikharini. Rama jane jane yadi hatava bhakteshu vibhavaha.
रमा जाने जाने यदि तव भक्तेषु विभवः
न सद्य सम्पद्यस्तदिह मदकृता दशम तद sorry, tadiha madakritva dashamina.
न सद्यः सम्पद्यस्तदिह मदकृत्वा दशमिनाम्
प्रशान्तिं कृत्वैव pradishasi tatah kamamakilam. If you are doing krutvaiva and pausing because of the shikharani, or prashanting krutvaiva pradishasi tatah kamamakilam, both are okay. So depending on the pause, to give dvitva or not to give dvitva.
प्रशान्तिं कृत्वैव प्रदिशति ततः काममखिलम्
Very good. प्रशान्तेषु क्षिप्रन्न खलु भवदीये च्युतिकथा.
प्रशान्तेषु क्षिप्रन्न खलु भवदीयेच्युतिकथा रमा जाने जाने यदिह तव भक्तेषु विभवः न सद्यः सम्पद्यस्तदिह मदकृत्वा दशमिनाम् प्रशान्तिं कृत्वैव प्रदिशति ततः प्रदिशसि ततः काममखिलम् प्रशान्तेषु क्षिप्रन्न खलु भवदीयेच्युतिकथा
So Rama Jane and then Jane. That second Jane is I know, like one day. I bow down, like that. Jane, I know, in that sense. Okay, then first Jane is what Rama Jane. So we will refer now to that Vyutpatti given by S.N. Shastri. What he has said, if you see, turn the page, see Rama Jane, Rama Jaya Bharya Yasya Saha Rama Janihi. Saha Rama Janihi. So, whose wife is Rama? That is Rama Jani. So, in that Rama Jani, means over here it is Bhagavan. Okay. So, Lakshmipati, we can say. Rama Jani means Lakshmipati. That means our Bhagavan. So, Rama Jani. And the second is one like our Vanda Jane. Like Vande Jane. That I know. Okay. What do I know? Yad iha tava bhakteshu vibhavaha. Vibhavaha is all that prosperity. Tava bhakteshu, to your devotees, na sadhyaha, not quickly, sampadhyaha, doesn't come. To your devotees, prosperity doesn't come that very easily. Why? Madakrutvat ashaminam. Madakrutvat, because of the pride that is associated with the prosperity. So, ashaminam. Ashaminam is mind is not calm. Whose mind is not calm and whose egos are activated with that prosperity. So, for such people, the prosperity won't come easily, who are your bhaktas. Prashantim krutva. You will calm their minds first. Pradishasi tataha kamam. So you will give them pradashasi. You will give them and akhilam kamam. All their desires you will fulfill. That's why Karma Yoga is said. You want name, family, do your actions, dharmic way and attend whatever name, fame, money, whatever, and you finish and you kill away all those desires and vasanas and settle and calm the mind. Outward projection, if we will do, we will fail when going ahead. I can pretend to be a sangi, yeah? And in my mind, oh, I want this, I want that, I want one house, I want this, I want that. My I want is not finishing in my head, but outside I'm sitting in the satsanga. Anybody would believe, oh, she's a great satsangi. In the head, all this nonsense is happening. Who knows? Cannot meditate, cannot go. Short while you can go, long term cannot go. So sadhak will have to come back and settle the mind. So that's also very crucial that in the initial years of life, that's why we are active and action, full of action. We want promotion, we want this, we want, but after everything, and now at this age, you know what? I did. Why didn't I start it early? Like that now, early cannot start because it will not go in the head. Mind is having desires. Now, when we have fulfilled so many things, now we don't want. Once we get the thing, that desire is settled. Like, we outgrow that once we get it. So we had it, we got it. And now we are giving excuses, huh? I have knee pain. I have something else, whatever, some health excuse. Never mind. So Lord is calming them first and then giving them kamam akhilam. And prashanteshu, those amongst the ones who are prashanta, amongst those who are already calm mind, Shipram, immediately, na khalu bhavadiye chutikatha. And those who are bhavadiye, those who are devoted to you, chutikatha. Uh, chuta is to drop. That's why Lord is Achyuta, one who never gets dropped or who is not separated. So Chuti Katha is those who are devoted to Lord, Bhavadiye, they will not have Chuti Katha, they will not get separated from you. They will not have any fall. Fall means what? When we are falling in the samsara, means we have separated ourselves from the Lord. That's why we are falling into samsara. What is samsara? Continuous dukkha. One after another, we are completing our desires. It's a dukkham associated with dukkham. Complete joy of fulfilling desire is never going to be there for anyone. Never. Whatever latest gadget, let it come. You can buy, paying 2 lakh, one Apple phone, you can buy, 2 lakh rupees. It's so much costly. The latest, whatever is the 16 Pro Max, highest GB, something 2 lakh something. And today only I saw China release some mate book. It is costing some 3 lakhs. Okay. Fine. We don't have that. And I'm very much a gadget savvy person and I want the latest thing. I have a desire. Fine, you get it. After getting up to 6 months, what? Next thing will come. Then what happens to this happiness? Now, whatever I've spent and got, now it is smaller because now the next version has come, which is having such a particular feature which my gadget is not having. I'm a tech savvy person. I need that feature now. So this joy, which was so much now, tomorrow it is not there. Continuous fulfilling the desires is not the way forward because desires will not end and our happiness gradation and marking is going to change each time. It won't be the same. So, who is Bhavadiye in you? Bhattacharyji is saying, who has devoted themselves to you. For them, there is no fall. For us, we are falling, no? In samsara, one after another, we want something or the other. Oh, my mother's Kanjivaram sari also will get one silk, this or the pain is there. As if I'm going to take Kanjivaram sari and go all over. But you have now so many things. So this is what the point is over here now. रमा जाने जाने यदि तव भक्तेषु विभवः न सद्य सम्पद्यस्तदिह मद कृत्वा दशमिना प्रशान्तिं कृत्वैव प्रदिशसि ततः काममखिलम् प्रशान्तेषु क्षिप्रन्न खलु भवदीये च्युतिकथा वसन्ततिलकस्य सद्यः प्रसादरुषितान् विधिशङ्करादीन्
तद्यः प्रसादरुषितान् विधिशङ्करादीन्
केचिद् विभो निजगुणान् अनुगुणं भजन्तः केचिद् विभो निजगुणानुगुणं भजन्तः नो ब्रेक
केचिद्विभो निजगुणानुगुणं भजन्तः
भ्रष्टा भवन्ति बत कष्टमदीर्घदृष्ट्या
भ्रष्टा भवन्ति बत कष्टमदीर्घदृष्ट्या
स्पष्टं वृकासुर उदाहरणं किलास्मिन्
स्पष्टं वृकासुर उदाहरणं किलास्मिन् सद्यः प्रसादरुषितान् विधिशङ्करादीन् केचिद्विभो निजगुणानुगुणं भजन्तः भ्रष्टा भवन्ति बत कष्टमदीर्घदृष्ट्या स्पष्टं वृकासुर उदाहरणं किलास्मिन्।
Sadyah prasad rushitan. Sadyah means immediately. Prasada means who are immediately who can be pleased. And rushita is anger. The one who can be pleased easily and one who can also get angry very quickly. Vidhi Shankaradin. Vidhi is Brahmaji. Shankara is Shivji. Adi means etc. Kechit, some people, Vibho, O all-pervading Lord, Nija Gunanugunam Bhajantaha. Bhajantaha, they pray. They pray to Brahma, they pray to Shankara, they pray to different gods who get pleased very easily or who get angry also very easily. And how they choose their God? Nija Gunanugunam. According to their mental texture, following whatever. I'll say I like Devi. Somebody saying I like Krishna. Somebody says something else. According to their own Nija Gunam, according to their own mental textures, they will prefer which god they want to please. And such gods, Vidhi Adi, Shankaradi, they are quickly Prasad and they are quickly Rushita also. Okay. Next. Bhrashta bhavanti bata kashtama dirgha drishtya. Bhrashta bhavanti. Bhrashta. So when you are doing like this, bhrashta means you will get yourself destroyed because bata, alas, because of kashtam, this difficulty is because of adirgha drishtya. Dirgha drishti, far-sightedness. Adirgha drishti, not having far-sightedness. Immediate, you want some immediate pleasures, so immediately you will hold on to one god and make that god please. Other gods are getting happy easily. Then in this, Pashtam very clearly, Vrukasuru Dharanam, the example of Vrukasura, Kilasmin. In this regard, Vrukasura is the best example. Now we will see that Vrukasura's story. Sadhya Prasada Rushitan Vidhi Shankaradi केचिद् विभो निजगुणानुगुणं भजन्तः भ्रष्टा भवन्ति बत कष्टमदीर्घदृष्ट्या स्पष्टं वृकासुर उदाहरणं किलास्मिन्. Hari Om sweet to sleep. Good to sleep. शकुनि so Dhruta Vilambitah. शकुनि जस्स तु नारदमेकदा
शकुनिजसतु नारदमेकदा त्वरिततोषमपृच्छदधीश्वरम्
स च दिदेश गिरीशमुपासितुम् न तु
भवन्तमबन्धुमसाधुषु शकुनिजसतु नारदमेकदा त्वरिततोषमपृच्छदधीश्वरम् तददिदेश गिरीशमुपासितुम् न तु भवन्तमबन्धमसाधुषु.
Thank you. Thank you, kids. All so awesome. Shakuni Jaha. Pankajaha, one who is born from Panka. Shakuni Jaha, one who is born from Shakuni, means Shakuni's son. So Shakuni's son, one, Satu, Naradam Ekada, once to Narada, Tvarita Tosham Apruchat Ishwaram. Which God, which Ishwara, Tvarita Tosha, will be happy Apruchad, had asked. Shakuni's son had asked Narada which god gets pleased very easily. That time, Sahacha Videsha Girisham Upasitum. Girisha means Lord Shankara. So you do Upasana on Lord Shankara, Natu Bhavantam, not on you, but Adriji is saying. Naraji didn't say him that you worship on Mahavishnu. You worship on Shankara. A bandhuma sadhushu. because abandhum, bhavantam, you are not friendly to asadhushu, those who are not good, those who are wicked people. Lord is not going to befriend them. Understand? Because Brukasura is an asura, Naradji has not suggested Lord's name because those who are wicked, God won't befriend them. So he suggested Shivji's name. Naradji suggested to it. So that Brukasura can get a Lord pleased on him or get some God's anugraha easily on him. शकुनिजः तु नारदमेकदा त्वरिततोषमपृच्छदधीश्वरम् स च दिदेश गिरीशमुपासितुम् न तु भवन्तमबन्धुमसाधुषु abandhum. Lord is not friendly. Asadhushu, with those who are not sadhu. Okay. Let us start. Is Prahlad there today? Okay. All adults can raise hands. Okay, right now back to Shikharini. Sumanaji. Tapastaptva ghoram sakhalu kupita saptamadine.
Tapastaptva ghoram sakhalu kupita saptamadine.
Shirashchitva. So the Visarga Shakara will happen over there. Okay. So you write Sh because this way we will not remember how to say that Visarga, we will not remember. Over there you write 1/2 Sh and keep. Shirashchitva sadyah puraharam upasthapya purataha.
Shirashchitva sadyah puraharam upasthapya purataha.
Ate kshudrau raudrau shirasi karadanena nidhanam.
Ate kshudrau rudrau shirasi karadanena nidhanam.
Jagannathadvavre bhavati vimukhanam kva shubhadhihi.
Jagannathaadvavre bhavati vimukhanam pashubhadihi. Tapastaptva ghoram sakhalu kupita saptamadine. Shirashchitva sadyah puraharam upasthapya puratah. Atikshudram raudram shirasi kardanena nidhanam. Jagannathaadvavre bhavati vimukhanam kvashubhadi.
Oh, only a good sadhak can ask God what one must have asked. So like this, no? What we ask for the Lord? Let my daughter's marriage happen. Let my son get a good job. Let my da 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 da. We are like that, Asura. We are asking God for this kind of things. We are not saying, God, make my sadhana strong. You should be visible to me. Whatever mistake I do, you please forgive. But you show yourself to me. Let me have your Ananya Bhakti. Let me get devoted to your feet alone. Have you asked God anytime? We should ask for ourselves. So if Vrikasura is asking like this also, it is our own reflection only because we ask such things only for the Lord. Okay. We are not different from Vrikasura. Just see now what Vrikasura has done. At least Vrikasura has gone and done some tapas for 7 days. I don't know whether we can hold a fast even for one Ekadashi. I don't think so. Okay. Or we get headaches, so eat more fruits and more sabudana khichdi. I don't know who has made that sabudana khichdi, a fasting food and potato and whatnot. I don't know who has made it. Scriptures don't say sabudana khichdi and this and all. And maybe on another day we must be eating 1 apple because it's fasting. Maybe a kilo of apple is downed. Okay, doesn't matter. But that is our fasting for 1 day. Tapastapva, this one has done ghora tapasa khalu. And he has keeping on doing some and the God is not getting visible. So Saptamadine, on the 7th day, Shiraha Chitva, he would kill himself. Sadhyaha, immediately, Puraharam, Purahara, Tripurahara, Shivji. Upasthapya Purataha, he made Shivji come in front of him. We have this capacity to propitiate a lord with our tapas so much that they should stand in front of. Well, okay, this Brikasura has done this tapa and made Shankara come by threatening him. See, don't come in front of me, I will kill myself. Poor Shankara, no, he should have said, okay, fantastic, please do the needful, kill yourself, I'm not coming. Lord doesn't say like that, Lord gets pleased. That's why Naranji told this is that Tvarita Tosha happens. Then, Ati Kshudram Raudram, he has asked what? See, Ati Kshudram Raudram Shirasi Karadanena Nidhanam. Ati Shudram, very, very, very menial and Raudra, very, very cruel boon he has asked. What? Shirasi, on the head, Karadanena, if he places the head, that person should die immediately. Whosoever head this Asura is going to place the hand on, that person should die. This is the kind of a boon this Asura has asked. So, Jagannatha Vavre. So from the Jagannatha, those who have gone away, Bhavati Vimukhanam, uh, those who are not devotees of the Lord. From where Shubhadhi, a good sense will prevail in them. Like this only, they will ask something nonsense only. तपस्तत्त्वा घोरं स खलु कुपितः सप्तमदिने शिरश्छित्त्वा सद्यः पुरहरमुपस्थाप्य पुरतः अतिक्षुद्रं रौद्रं शिरसि करदानेन निधनं जगन्नाथाद्वव्रे भवति विमुखानां क्व शुभधीः. Next, Sradhara starts over here. I hope we can completed. We should complete. So normally our first Dashakam would complete by this time. So it doesn't matter. Let me not take any pressure. Okay, Lataji, number 5. Moktaram bandhamukto harinapatiriva. We should not pause. Moktaram bandhamukto harinapatiriva pradravatsotharudram.
मोक्तारं बन्धमुक्तो हरिणपतिरिव प्राद्रवत्सोऽथ रुद्रम्
दैत्याद्भीत्यास्मदेवो दिशि दिशि वलते पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टिः.
दैत्याद्भीत्यास्मदेवो दिशि दिशि वलते पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टिः.
पूष्णीके सर्वलोके तव पदमधिरोक्ष्यन्तमुद्वीक्ष्य शर्वम्.
तूष्णीके सर्वलोके तव पदमधिरोक्ष्यन्तमुद्वीक्ष्य शर्वम्.
पुरादेवाग्रतस्त्वं पटुवटुवपुषा तस्थिषे दानवाय.
दूरादेवाग्रतस्त्वं पटुवटुवपुषा तस्थिषे दानवाय. मोक्तारं बन्धमुक्तो हरिणपतिरिव प्राद्रवत्सोऽथ रुद्रम् दैत्याद्भीत्यास्मदेवो दिशि दिशि वलते पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टिः. तूष्णीके सर्वलोके तव पदमधिरोक्ष्यन्तमुद्वीक्ष्य शर्वम्. दूरादेवाग्रतस्त्वं पटुवटुवपुषा तस्थिषे दानवाय.
See, now what has happened? Moktaram bandhamuktaha. Moktaram, the one who is releasing. He has become bandhamukta. How? Harina patiriva pradravat. Bandhamuktaha harinapati. Harinapati is who? The lion. And if he is bandha muktaha, if he is released from his bond, if he is released from his cage or whatever, how he will pounce like that, pradravat saha atha rudram. This asura, he got the boon from Shivji and he wants to put his hand on Shivji's head to try whether the boon is working or not. So it is like the lion released from the cage. He's a hungry lion. Whoever is in front, he is pouncing. The one who has released him, given the boon, on him only he wants to try the first. Now what to say? So Daityat Bhitya Panchami. The fear from the Daitya, from this Vrukasura Asmaha, was because of that Devaha. Dishi Dishi Valate. In all the directions, Valate, ran. And Prushtato Drishta Drishti. Each time he's running forward but checking behind where this Asura is. Prushtataha, looking behind. Datta Drishti, one eye put on back where this Asura. Shivji is running everywhere. Over there. Tushnike Sarvaloke. Whole loka is Tushnike. Watching this quietly. Now what will happen? Tava, yours, Bhattatriji is saying to Lord, Tava, yours, Padam Adhiroksyantam. You are climbing the steps to your place. Adhirokshantam, climbing to your house. That time, Udvikshya Sharvam. Sharva is Shiva. That time, you saw Shiva, having seen him. Durat, very far. Devagratasvam. You saw him in front of you, that Shivji is running. Then, what did Lord do? Patu Vatu Vapusha. A small Brahmana's Rupa he take. And Tasthishe stood Danavaya in front of that Vrukasura. He goes and stands. Who? Lord Krishna takes a small Brahmin's Rupa and he goes and stands in front of this Vrukasura. Moktaram bandhamukto harinapatiriva pradravatsotharudram daityad bhityasmadevo dishi dishi valate prushthato datta drishtihi tushnike sarvaloke tava padamadhiroksyantamudviksha sharvam Dura devagratasvam patuvatu vapusha tastishe danavaya. Naritama. Number 6. Bhadrante shakuneya bhramasi kimadhuna tvam pishachasya vacha.
भद्रन्ते शाकुनेय भ्रमसि किमधुना त्वं पिशाचस्य वाचा
सन्देहश्चेन्मदुःखौ तव किमु न करोष्यङ्गुलीमङ्गमौलौ
सन्देहश्चेन्मदुक्तौ तव किमु न करोष्यङ्गुलीमङ्गमौलौ
इत्थं त्वद्वाक्यमूढः शिरसि कृतकरः सोपतश्छिन्नपातम्
इत्थं त्वद्वाक्यमूढः शिरसि कृतकरः सोपतच्छिन्नपातम्
कंशो ह्येवं परोपासितुरपि च गतिः शूलिनोऽपि त्वमेव
भ्रंशो ह्येवं परोपासितुरपि च गतिः शूलिनोऽपि त्वमेव भद्रन्ते शाकुनेय भ्रमसि किमधुना त्वं पिशाचस्य वाचा सन्देहश्चेन्मदुक्तौ तव किमु न करोष्यङ्गुलीमङ्गमौलौ इत्थं त्वद्वाक्यमूढः शिरसि कृतकरः सोपतच्छिन्नपातम् भ्रंशो ह्येवं परोपासितुरपि च गतिः शूलिनोऽपि त्वमेव.
Beautiful scene. Now this Asura is going to get killed by his own way. How? Bhadram te Shakuneya. Shakuneya like Bharatarashtra, like Vasudeva, like that Shakuneya from Shakuni. So Shakuni son, Shakuneya, Jadram te. Maybe you are well. Brahmasi kim adhuna. Why are you running like this? Tvam pishachasya vacha, trusting the word of that pishacha. Sandehaschet, if you are having a doubt, maduptau, listen to me. Tava kimuna karosyangulim angamaulo. Why don't you place your finger on maulo, on your angamaulo, on your head and check? Why are you running like this? Just place the finger on your head and you check on your head. Itham tvad vakya mudaha. Mudaha, that's stupid. Itham, hearing this sentence from you, shirasi krita karaha. He touched his own head. So patat chinnapatam. Immediately he fell down dead. Bhramsho hi evam paropasituhu api. Like this only the destruction will come to paropasitaha. Those who are not doing upasana of you but doing upasana of others will get bhramsha like that, will meet death like this only. Sacha gatihi shulinopi tvameva. Even for Shiva, you are the gati, you are the refuge. Everybody should, that means, take refuge in Lord Krishna, including Shivji has taken refuge in Lord Krishna. Those who are para-upasitu, their gati will not be good. Bhadrante shakuneya bhramasi kimadhuna tvam pishachasya vacha samdehaschin maduptau tava kimuna karoshyanguli mangamaulau itthan tvadvakya mudha shirasi kritakara sopatachinnapatam bhramsho hevam paropasiturapi cha gati shulino pitvameva. Pushpaji. Number 7. Prithvi. We have to bring a mind. Bhrugam kila saraswati nikatavasinastapasaha. All this others we have done, so I'm not talking about it. Okay.
भृगुं किल सरस्वती निकटवासिनस्तापसाः
त्रिमूर्तिषु समादिशन्नधिकसत्त्वतां वेदितुम्
त्रिमूर्तिषु समादिशन्नधिकसत्त्वतां वेदितुम्
अयं पुनरनारदादुदितरुद्धरोषे विधौ
अयं पुनरनादरादुदितरुद्धरोषे विधौ
हरेऽपि च जिहिंसिषौ गिरिजयाधृते त्वामगात्
हरेऽपि च जिहिंसिषौ गिरिजया धृते त्वामगात् भृगुं किल सरस्वती निकटवासिनस्तापसाः त्रिमूर्तिषु समादिशन्नधिकसत्त्वतां वेदितुम् अयं पुनरनादरादुदितरुद्धरोषे विधौ हरेऽपि च जिहिंसिषौ गिरिजया धृते त्वामगात्.
Now another story is coming up. Bhrugum kila, Bhrugu, Saraswati nikata vasinaha tapasaha. Saraswati nikata vasinaha. Saraswati river, vasinaha. Those one residing near Saraswati river. Tapasaha, all those tapasvis, all those rishis, all those sannyasis. Trimurtishu, amongst the Trimurti, Samadhishan, Bhrugum Samadhishan, they ordered Bhrugu. So that first word is be attached to Bhrugum Samadhishan. They ordered Bhrugu to find out Adhika Sattvatam Veditum. They wanted to know amongst this Trimurti, Brahmaji, Shivji and Vishnuji, who is Adhika Sattva? These tapasvis at the bank of the river Saraswati, they thought, and Samadhishan, they ordered Bhrugu. Bhrugu is son of Brahmaji only. To find out who is having more sattva utkata in them, utkatata in them. Then ayam, this one, punaha anadarat, not respecting, giving proper respect, udita ruddha roshe didhau, to Brahmaji, he didn't give proper respect, so Brahmaji got angry. Then Harepi, Hara, Shivji. Hari is Vishnuji, Hara is Shivji. So Harepi, Hara also, Jihum Sishav. So he also got angry. And Himsa, he wants to, that anger, he wants to kill Bhrigu. That time Girijaya, third vibhakti, by Girija, Dhrute, Tvam, Agad. So Girija Dhrute. So Girija, Parvati ji restrained him. And now he has come, Tvam Agad. Now he has come to you. So he first goes to Brahmaji, he shows disrespect, Brahmaji gets angry. He shows the same kind of disrespect to Shivji. Shivji got so angry, he is ready to kill him. Parvati stopped. Now he has come, Tvam Agad. Now he has come to you. Bhattathariji saying, now he has come to Lord Krishna. Bhrigun kila saraswati nikatavasinastapasaha trimurtishu. So not to say stri, tapasaha, we have given the visarga top. Tapasas trimurtishu. So stri don't say it is trimurti. Tapasaha, we have paused. Right, visarga over there and no sa. Okay. Trimurtishu samadhishanadhika sattvatam veditum ayam punaranadara ruddharoshe vidhau hare picha jihumsishau girijayadhrite tvamagat. See, the next chandas is not Prithvi. Okay. They have not named it. So we will put it in the Vasanta Tilaka tune because the alphabets match to Vasanta Tilaka. It is not being said over there. So you write over there. Otherwise, you'll try to fit it in the Prithvi meter, but it is not Prithvi. Okay, next. One. Suptam Ramanka Bhuvi Pankajalochanan Tvam.
सुप्तौ रमाङ्कभुवि पङ्कजलोचनं त्वाम्
विप्रे विनिघ्नति पदेन मुदोत्थितस्त्वम्
विप्रे विनिघ्नति पदेन मुदोत्थितस्त्वम्
सर्वं क्षमस्व मुनिवर्य भवेत् सदा मे
सर्वं क्षमस्व मुनिवर्य भवेत् सदा मे
त्वत्पादचिह्नमिह भूषणमित्यवादीः
त्वत्पादचिह्नमिह भूषणमित्यवादीः सुप्तौ रमाङ्कभुवि पङ्कजलोचनं त्वाम् विप्रे विनिघ्नति पदेन मुदोत्थितस्त्वम् सर्वं क्षमस्व मुनिवर्य भवेत् सदा मे त्वत्पादचिह्नमिह भूषणमित्यवादीः.
See now what is happening? Suptam was sleeping. Ramanka bhuvi. Rama Anka. Anka is a lap. Lord was sleeping on Lakshmi ji's lap. So this one has come. Bhrigu has come over here now to Lord. Ramaji showed anger. Shivji showed anger to tilt of killing him. Now to the Lord he has come. Nicely he is sleeping. How he is? Pankajalocanatvam. You are that lotus-eyed one. Nicely closed. Imagine that lotus petal eyes closed and sleeping on Lakshmi ji's lap. This Vipre, what he has done, so Saptami Vibhakti means when this happened, then this. So that time it is Saptami. So it's not to be taken as locative. So Ati Saptami it is called. Vipre Vinagnati Padena Mudottithaha Tvam. Means when this Saptami Vibhakti is coming, it is not showing location, but when this Brahmana, when this Rishi, Bhrigu, Vinignati, nicely kicked by feet, Padena, that time Mudaha uttitaha tvam. You happily got up. Just imagine in our sleep, if anybody wakes us up very badly, what is the abuse that comes out of our mind? Especially imagine as your childhood days and your parents are trying to wake you up, how much, I don't know. I have screamed and shouted at both my parents, to my mom also and to my dad. My mom used to not bother so much, but dad would definitely, because he never liked me sleeping till late. So the best way was to switch off the fan. Then he'd get such a irritation that we have to get up. Never ever liked it. The second is to send our dog on us. The dog would come and lick the mouth. There is no chance you can sleep. Okay, so I couldn't sleep. My sister would pull him under the blanket and both would sleep together. So that is also. She would be continuing to sleep, and I would really get angry and I would not like the way that I've been woken up for sleeping. It's a child, as a kid, it's not this. Not now, but that time. But now over here, you see, it's not only simply waking up the Lord, it is going and kicking him on his chest when in a deep sleep. And Lord is getting up muda, happily. Muda uttitahatvam. You happily woke up. I don't know how peacefully we can wake up if from a deep sleep somebody wakes us up and we are not expecting them to wake us up. God alone knows what kind of abuse is going to come out of the mind or from the mouth. But God has woken up Muda. Then Sarvam Kshamasva. Immediately he is asking, please forgive everything if I have done something wrong. Munivarya, oh the greatest of the sage. Bhavet Sadame. Tvat Pada Chinnam. Now he has kicked on his chest. Tvat Pada Chinnam. The mark of your feet that has come on the chest. Bhavet Sadame. May it always be. Bhushanam. Be a piece of an ornament for me. Iti avadihi. Lord said like that. So in Bhagavad, or I don't know where I have heard the description, Lord inquires, did your feet hurt? Bhrigu has kicked. Lord asks him, did your feet hurt? Now over here in Narayanam, he's saying, this particular mark that your feet has laid, let it be a bhushana for me. My God, I don't know how much I would have abused her if somebody has done not only this king, but marks and all leave. So no sattva bhav only over here. Over here, it's a sattva utkata bhushana. Let it be a bhushana ornament. That is that Srivatsa Chinna we say, right? So that is the Bhugu's mark on Lord's chest. The kick, the Pada Chinna, the foot mark. Suptam Ramanka Bhuvi Pankajalochanan Tvam Vipre Vinignati Padena Mudot Tithastvam Sarvam Kshamasva Munivarya Bhavet Sadame Tvatpada Chinhamiha Bhushanamityavadi. Shobhaji, next one. Nishchityate cha sudrudan tvai baddha bhavaha.
निश्चित्यते च सुदृढन् त्वयि बद्धभावाः
Sarasvata munivara dadhire vimoksham.
सारस्वता मुनिवरादधिरे विमोक्षम्
Vamevam achyuta punaschuti doshahinam.
त्वामेवमच्युत पुनश्च्युतिदोषहीनम्
Sattvochayaikatanumeva vayam bhajamaha.
सत्त्वोच्चयैकतनुमेव वयं भजामः निश्चित्यते च सुदृढन् त्वयि बद्धभावाः सारस्वता मुनिवरादधिरे विमोक्षम् त्वामेवमच्युत पुनश्च्युतिदोषहीनम् सत्त्वोच्चयैकतनुमेव वयं भजामः.
See, so beautiful. We just now saw Achyuta word and it has now come again away in so beautiful way. So, Nishchitya, having decided, they who, that Munivaras, Sudrudham Tvai Baddha Bhavaha. In you, they bound themselves Sudrudham. that they have now firmly decided that it's you, and the Munivaras have bound themselves. Saraswata Munivara, those Saraswati Tiras Munivara, Dadhire Vimoksham, and they attained moksham. So they confirm that Lord is the most sattvic, he's having the power. So they Nishchitya, having decided that, they firmed their thoughts, they concentrated their thoughts on the Lord alone, and they got vimoksham. Tvamevam achyutaha, Tvameva achyuta punaha shuti dosha heenam. Again, that shuti dosha heenam is that's falling in the samsara. Heenam. You are without that. Oh, Achyuta, the one who doesn't change. Sattvocha yaika tanumeva. You are that sattvacha. You are that full of sattva. Sattva ucha bhava. The highest of sattva, it is you. That's how. Why? Vayam bhajamaha. We worship you. Because now it's confirmed that you are only having the sattvotkakata. Nishchityate cha sudhrudan tvai baddha bhavaha sarasvata munivara dadhire vimoksham vamevam achyuta punashchuti doshahinam sattvochayaika tanumeva vayam bhajamaha. Last verse. Indavachi. Back to Shikharini. Jagat srishtyaadau tvam
Jagat srishtyaadau tvam
nigamanivahair vandibhiriva
Nigamanivahair vandibhiriva
Sutam Vishnu Satchit Paramarasannirdvaitavapusham.
Stutam Vishnu Satchit Paramarasannirdvaitavapusham.
Very good. Paratmanan Bhuman.
Paratmanan Bhuman.
Paratmanam, ma only.
Paratmanam.
Nam.
Paratmanam Bhuman.
Pashupavanita Bhagyanivaham.
Pashupavanita Bhagyanivaham.
Paritapashrantyai.
Paritapashrantyai.
Pavanapuravasin paribhaje.
Pavanapuravasin paribhaje. Jagat srishtyaadau tvam nigamanivahair vandibhiriva stutam Vishnu satchet paramarasannirdvaitavapusham paratmanam bhuman pashupavanita bhagyanivaham paritapashrantyai Pavanapuravasin paribhaje.
Sada sarvatra govindana
Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste.
Jagat Srishtyadau. So before the Jagat Srishti was there, means or at the time of that Jagat Srishti, that time, Tvam, to you, Nigama Nivahaihi. Nigamas are all our Vedas. They had Nivahaihi, they had praised Stutam in the second line, first word. Like whom? Vandibhir Iva. Iva means like Vandibhihi. Like how the king is praised by his subordinates. Like that, Vedas have praised you at the time when this creation was happening. Paratmanam, you are the Paramatma. Bhuman, who is, Bhuma means one who is everywhere, all pervading. Paratmanam, Bhuman, Pashupa Vanitabhyam Nivaham. Pashupa Vanita is Gopikas. Pashupa Vanita Bhagya Nivaham. you are the one who is holding the merits of all the gopikas. Paritapa Shrante. Paritapa, all kinds of tapa, Shranta. To remove all the kinds of tapa, physical, mental, spiritual, emotional. Pavanapura Vasin, O Guru Vairappa, Paribhaje, I worship you. So, very few times we will say like this, Paritapa Shrante. Last verse also we saw something different. So, what was the prayer for this Dashakam, which comes in the last line, we should always remember, because that is the bhava we should develop while chanting that particular Dashakam, because it would be granted. It is all in the first person. जगत्सृष्ट्यादौ त्वां निगमनिवहैर्वन्दिभिरिव स्तुतं विष्णो सच्चित् परमरसनिर्द्वैतवपुषम् परात्मानं भूमन् पशुपवनिता भाग्यनिवहम् परितापश्रान्त्यै पवनपुरवासिन् परिभजे सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. With His immense Kripa, we have completed this Dashakam comfortably. We'll not start the next Dashakam. From next Dashakam, actually, the Vedanta starts. So now there won't be any Leelas. This was the last Leela of the Lord, of this Vrikasur, of this Bhrigu, and all the stories are finished. Now we'll be getting into, so we'll have that mood from tomorrow. Today what we'll do the Parayan of these 10 verses, and then we stop for today. So that would be the right way. From 90th to 99, complete Vedanta and dwelling. See, now only the hint you must have seen how the seed has been put. How is Lord Paratmanam? He is Bhuman, he is Satchit, Paramarasa, he is Nirdvaita Vapusha. His body is not, it's a non-dual, Advaita. All these seeds have been put into this last verse of this 89 Dashakam. And from here, it takes off. Means whichever Balakrishna, Krishna, this, that we were saying, now we will see him in a different form altogether as a Vishwa. Paratman. Okay, so let us have Arjun. Will Anika and Anish join?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we will have first one for Arjun, second one for Anish, and third one for Anika. Okay. Fourth one, Sumana ji, remember, Fifth one, Lata ji. Sixth one, Lalita ma. Seventh one, Vanni. Eighth one, Shobha ji. 9 and 10. Who wants to take?
I'll take.
Radhakrishnan ji, 9th one, and Sri Vidya Lakshmi, 10th one. Okay, let us start.
रमा जाने जाने यदि तव भक्तेषु विभवः न सद्यः सम्पद्यस्ततिह मदकृत्वा दशमिनां प्रशान्तिं कृत्वैव प्रदिशसि ततः काममखिलं प्रशान्तेषु क्षिप्रन्न खलु भवदीयेच्युतिकथा सद्यः प्रसादरुषितान् विधिशङ्करादीन् केचिद्विभो निजगुणानुगुणं भजन्तः भ्रष्टा भवन्ति बत कष्टमदीर्घदृष्ट्या स्पष्टं वृकासुर उदाहरणं किलास्मिन्
शकुनिजः स तु नारदमेकदा
शकुनिजः स तु नारदमेकदा त्वरिततोषमपृच्छदधीश्वरं स च दिदेश गिरीशमुपासितुं न तु भवन्तमबन्धुमसाधिषु.
साधुषु.
तपस्तप्त्वा घोरं सखलु कुपितः सप्तमदिने शिरश्छित्त्वा सद्यः पुरहरमुपस्थाप्य पुरतः अतिक्षुद्रं रौद्रं शिरसि करदानेन विनिधनं जगन्नाथद्बव्रे भवति विमुखानां पशुपतिः।
मोक्तारं बन्धमुक्तो हरिणपतिरिव प्राद्रवत्सोऽथ रुद्रम् दैत्याद्भीत्या स्म देवो दिशि दिशि बलते पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टिः तूष्णीके सर्वलोके तव पदमधिरोक्ष्यन्तमुद्वीक्ष्य शर्वम् दूरादेवाग्रतस्त्वं पटुवटुवपुषा तस्थिषे दानवाय
भद्रन्ते शाकुनेय भ्रमसि मधुना त्वम्पि चापिशाचस्य वाचा सन्देहश्चेन्मदुक्तौ तव किमु न करोष्यङ्गुलीमङ्गमौलौ इत्थं त्वद्वाक्यमूढः शिरसि कृतकरः सोपतच्छिन्नपातम् भ्रंशो ह्येवं परोपास्थितुरपि च गतिः शूलिनोऽपि त्वमेव
भ्रगुं किल सरस्वती निकटवासिनस्तापसाः त्रिमूर्तिषु समादिशन्नधिकसत्त्वतां वेदितुम् अयं पुनरनादरादुदितरुद्धरोषे विधौ हरेऽपि च जिहिंसिषौ गिरिजया त्वामगात्
सुप्तौ रमाङ्कभुवि पङ्कजलोचनं त्वां विप्रे विनिघ्नति पदेन मुदोत्थितस्त्वं सर्वं क्षमस्व मुनिवर्य भवेत् सदा मे त्वत्पादचिह्नमिह भूषणमित्यवादीः
निश्चित्यते च सुदृढं त्वयि बद्धभावाः सारस्वता मुनिवरादधिरे विमोक्षम् त्वामेवमच्युत पुनश्च्युतिदोषहीनं सत्त्वोच्चयैकतनुमेव वयं भजामः।
Again, the last line again.
सत्त्वोच्चयैकतनुमेव वयं भजामः।
जगत्सृष्टयादौ त्वां
Srishtya, no.
निगमनिवैर्भवन्ति
Srishtya. Not Srishtaya.
सृष्ट
To is Srishtya.
जगत्सृष्टयादौ त्वां
Not Srishtaya.
निगमनिवैः
Not Srishtaya. To is half. Jagat Srishtya Tvam. Shikharini.
जगत्सृष्ट्यादौ त्वां निगमनिवहैर्वन्दिभिरिव स्तुतं विष्णो सच्चेत् परमरसनिर्द्वैतवपुषम् परात्मानं भूमन् पशुपवनिता भाग्यनिवहम् परितापश्रान्त्यै पवनपुरवासिन् परिभजे सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते।
Excellent.
Parshaji, I have one doubt.
Ji.
The last verse, first line, when you did the Sandhi, you said Shushat Vandibhihi.
No.
Shushat, last,
Nigama nivahaihi vandibhihi iva.
Vandibhihi iva. So, Vandibhihi is which Shabd?
The one, so it is Tritiya Bahuvachan, but it is formed from another word. So we cannot make from that Shabda.
Okay. Because generally we, Vandi Dhatu we
Vanda
say, no?
Dhatu
Here
is
it is
different. So we have not learned
Okay.
this type where it will come as a Krudanta. We have not heard. We have not learned.
Okay. Thank you.
All doubts clear? Good. So tomorrow onwards, let's see how. If we complete 90, we'll go ahead with 91. And from tomorrow onwards, we may not target to complete the whole Dashakam many times, and so it would continue. So if we complete 90, we'll go it into 91, and it may not complete. So that would go on, because then onwards the bigger verses are starting. So maybe we would do 1 dashakam, 1.5 dashakam. It might happen like that. Okay. So let's see if June month see the completion of this with His grace. We had been saying, "No, June, July, we should finish. June, July, we should finish." And now, so June has come. With His grace, we would complete it soonest, hopefully without this needed. And then we will have some Parayanams, and the main Parayanam we should do in Guruvayur. So please plan accordingly. We will take the consensus who would like to come, who can come, and especially people who come from US, UK, Singapore. What time of the year would be okay, because all this travels and so many things are there. But keep a sankalpa. I'll soon take the consensus and we should plan. Let's end today's session. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining.
Thank you. Thank you, Varsha.
Hari Om.
Hari Om Varsha Aunty.
Hari Om, my sweet you. Our memorization group is really going good. We have finished memorizing Rasa Panchadhyay today. Okay. And we are continuing to weave it together. So if we would have not, then along with the 91st chapter, we would have taken that for memorization when we are learning. But we are not going to rush. So those who have still not participated, want to participate, join. It's getting beautiful. When you memorize a verse, when you memorize a dashakam, the joy is different. Understanding gets deeper. Pronunciations become clearer. Tongue can twist. And you remain with the meaning of that dashakam. You would dwell into it for a longer time. So those who want to venture into it can venture when we are starting 91st. So I was in a doubt whether I'll start the first chapter, first dashakam, but because we are going to get into the last 10, we will start memorizing last 10. It will become easier to memorize whatever we are learning in the class when we memorize it. Hari Om, everyone. And then Saturday talk. So don't miss the announcement in the group, which has done in the community. If you have not found it, let me know. I'll send you the link. Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari Om, Varsha. Hari Om.
Thank you, Varsha.
Thank you, Varsha ji.
Lataji's birthday today.
Thank you, Varsha ji.
This is Lataji's birthday today.
Birthday, by God. It was in my mind, and then when the class, because of doing it faster. Janmadinamidam ai priya sakhe shantanotu te sarvadamudam प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम् जन्मदिनमिदम् अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्. Happy birthday to you, Lata ji.
Thank you so much, all of you.
Always stay on path in karma and in Krishna's feet.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Lata ji.
Thank you for all your wishes. Thank you. Thank you. I'm really feel blessed. Thank you.
Birthday, Lata ji.
Happy birthday, Lata ji.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hari Om.
Happy birthday, Lata ji.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Thank you, Varsha ji.
Thank you, sweet. Hari Om. Oh, Lata ji left. She missed her. Listen, Hari Om.